Hello friends! Good day! This is Kokoy Jun and Kokoy Jun Arisha to Aliyah TV. Well, actually friends, we changed our YouTube channel. You can search us only Kokoy Jun, but you can also use Kokoy Jun Arisha to Aliyah TV. But simply Kokoy Jun, that's enough. Okay friends, well, in today's video, or to this content that I'm going to make, this is one or shall I say another unboxing. Okay, unboxing yun siya. It's because I haven't opened this one yet for almost 2 days now since I received this item. So unboxing really. But anyhow, before I will go forward, but if you are asking where are the kiddos is just around the corner. They cannot be in the camera because they are doing something. They are studying because it's their exam week, and then yeah, so that is why they need to focus. Because of that, now I forget to greet again wherever you are. Good day, good afternoon, good evening kung asa man mo gibutang ni Lord. Okay, so friends, now as I said, this will be another unboxing video. So here, this is the plastic. Actually, it's inside here. Okay. So without further ado, let's begin now the unboxing. But you might ask, what will be the item that I'm going to unbox? Well, that will be a surprise. In 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm going to start the unboxing. Okay friends, here we are, the unboxing. So, actually I just opened this one, only the plastic. Done. Okay, so here it is. 1, 2, wow. This is it. What is it? This is another mobile or cellular phone. What will be the brand? You know it already. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max. iPhone 13 Pro Max. And this will be the 256 GB. Okay? So it's not yet open, and with the SIM card. Oh, how to open this one? Okay, like this will open now. So see, it's still not yet, still sealed. See? Oh. So we will open this one. Back. The other one. And then 1, 2, 3. Wow! Here it is. Let's take that one. Let's take out from the box. Oh, see? It's still brand new. Let's remove this one. Again. Wow! Perfect. See? Very nice. What's inside the box? Of course, aside from the handset itself, and this is charger. What else inside? Of course, ang pin for para ma-open ang butanganan sa SIM. And of course, this is the guide and the sticker. You have also one sticker na pwede nyo ipilit later. This one. Those are the things inside the box itself. Again friends, this is the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is 256 GB. The color of this is silver. This is blue. What is the color? Yeah, this is blue. Like this one, Then, of course, we will try to open it. And then this is the SIM pack. Okay, we'll try to open the SIM here. like this. And we will see the SIM itself. This one, this is the SIM. Yeah, this one, no, small one. Okay, so let's try to put it on. See? Pack. Pack. Oh, this one, guys. Oh. Okay, guys. So we turn it on. This is the apple with a bite. Okay, it says hello. Oh, hello in another language again. Oh, see? So meaning it's working. See? Like this. Hola. Okay. So it's very nice. Actually, yeah. These are the things inside the box. Let me repeat again. Inside the box of this, inside the box is the handset itself. We have a charger. This is the pin where you can use to open to put on the SIM pack, and of course those guides like this. And you have also one sticker. Okay. Alright, friends, here it is. It's already open. See? See? It's already open now. If we will check if this is really the iPhone Pro Max 256GB, let's go to the settings and then go to the general and then press the about. See, you can see there. Okay, iPhone Pro Max 13. Then here it is. Capacity is 256. Yeah. Alright, guys, here it is, our new iPhone Pro Max 13 256GB. Alright, friends, yeah, this will be our new mobile phone for now, or cellular phone, the iPhone 13 Pro Max 256GB. See, actually this will be my third iPhone mobile. My first iPhone, it was iPhone 5. After that, iPhone 8 Plus, and this will be the latest one. Okay, it has a 3 camera actually. So friends, this will be it, our new unboxing. So thank you so much for watching our video. If you are new to our channel, again, please don't forget to like or even subscribe. Again, Kokoy June, that will be our new channel, but you can also search Kokoy June Arisha to Aliyah TV. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed my new unboxing video. Until then, thank you again, and on behalf of the kiddos, have a good day. Bye!